Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is officially summertime out. It's hot and it's pool weather. So what better cocktail to make outside sitting down by the pool is a fresh mojito cocktail. All right, so we've got all these great ingredients. Let's get to those.
Fresh limes, fresh mint, white rum, granulated sugar, and soda water.
Hey, all right, so this smells so good. This is actually a mix of mojito mint and spearmint. It's really good stuff. So today I'm going to show you not only how to make a mojito cocktail, but I'm going to be making a mojito syrup to make like a huge batch. So that way when you're having your barbecue with all your friends, you're not having to make one drink at a time. We're gonna make a big pitcher of it. All right, let's get to squeezing those limes and making that syrup. All right, so just so that our syrup will be cooled down enough, we're gonna start by making that first, and then we'll start picking away at our mint and making our lime juice.
All right, so let's begin by grabbing our measuring cup and adding in 4 cups of granulated sugar. All right, so go ahead and add that to your pan, and then we'll be adding in 4 cups of water.
Okay, so bring this to a boil, then we're gonna set aside and let's move on. All right, next up, let's peel apart our mint from the stems and put aside in a bowl. All right, so now that I've got all the leaves, let's move on to those limes. All right, so grab your limes and start cutting in half. Then we're gonna squeeze them. All right, so those about 20 limes. It really depends on the size of your limes and how much juice is in them, but we've got about 24 ounces of lime juice here. That's about good. Okay, so now we're gonna take our 24 ounces of our lime juice. I'm gonna add it to our blender. All right, and then I've got, once you've kind of compressed it down, you've got roughly about 3 cups of mint. It should be more than enough. We're gonna go ahead and add it, and then we're gonna blend and pulse it all together. And then I'm going to strain it.
So here I will be blending together the lime juice and the mint, and it's going to give it such a nice flavor. Once everything looks combined, we will grab a strainer and we will pour all of the lime juice through and make sure to catch any of that loose mint.
Now I'm going to throw this out and then I'm going to strain it again. You just want to make sure you get as much of that mint out of there. But the lime, the juice and the acid is going to break down that flavor of the mint, so it's going to be very minty.
Here I'm just repeating my steps and straining through any of those last little small pieces of mint.
Okay, so now we have our sweet and we have our sour with our mint. We're going to be balancing it, and we're going to do it about 1/4 cup at a time because you don't want to make it too sour, you don't want to make it too sweet. So everybody has like a different taste that they like, so you're going to want to balance it to the way that you like it. So I'm going to start off with 1/4 cup at a time, stir it, taste it, and then we'll go from there. Way too sour. All right. So now we're going to go another 1/4 cup. I like my stuff kind of sweet, so I already know I'm going to need a little bit more. It's perfect. So that was like 3 cups. It's perfect. I mean, you could go a little sweeter if you want, but I think it's actually really good. It still has a little bit of a tart taste, but not too tart. I like it. All right, so let's start making them cocktails. You ready? Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put it in just like a container. That way I can store it for later, and then I'm just have like a nice picture of it. And then all you have to do is add your rum and your soda water, and you got your cocktail.
Let's grab our white rum and add in 2 ounces. Then I will be adding in a total of 6 ounces of that delicious mojito syrup. So let's go ahead and blend everything together and then pour this mixture over crushed ice. Then we will top it off with some soda water. Don't forget to top it off with that beautiful fresh mint.
Okay, this looks so yummy, it's so refreshing. Let's taste it. Yum. All right, there you have it. The Mojito Party Mix. I mean, don't leave home without it. It's so good. You'll love it. So, don't forget to check out all my other social medias. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number 1, why not? But number 2, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.